Welcome to Woodpecker. Today let's see Decor collections in our Besant Nagar showroom. When choosing decor, it is essential to consider the overall theme and color of the room and also the furniture style. Including color schemes gives a visually appealing feel. We have a unique collection of wall arts such as paintings, metal hangings and prints. We have a mirrors which make your room look bigger. Don't miss out on the showpieces and figurines which give character to your home. We also have clocks as both showpieces and wall hangings. April is known as Decor month and Woodpecker celebrates it with flat 25% off on all decor items. Visit today to get the best out of this offer.